Good day folks, I welcome you back to Global Education Zone, and in this video I'm going to be teaching you guys on ratios and proportion. So basically a ratio is a relationship between numbers or lines, and when we compare two things we say that and they said a ratio of one thing to another is just like 2:4 when you say the ratio of 2 to 4, and the ratio of these numbers is written in this same way, so that's 2:4. So but in proportion we say we might have two equal ratios, so we say 1:2 as 2:4. So that's 1:2 is proportional to 2:4. So that is basically proportion. That's the difference between ratio and proportion. And in mathematics, we often make use of these rules, just like your direct proportion, inverse proportion. So a proportion is kind of like a ratio of two ratios. You get it? Now basically, when we talk about ratios, we might need to divide things, because ratio is all about division and comparing. So if you say we want to divide a given line into a ratio of 3:2, all you need to do is you draw the line and you divide the line into 5 units. So all you need to do is add the ratios. So you have 3:2. So that means you need 5 to 2 ratio. That's 3 plus 2, 5. So you need 5 different sections. Then when you divide the line into 5 sections, you can now mark the 3 and the 2 units. So it will be in the ratio 3:2. So that's what you can see here. In this case, I have divided the line to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you just have 3. This is the ratio divider. So this shows that from this section you have 3 divisions, and then from this section you have 2 divisions. So that is basically how ratio is calculated. So next we have when you have to divide a line in the ratio of 2:4:3. So you need to add the ratios together. That's 2 plus 4 plus 3. That would be a total of 9. So you need to divide the line into 9 equal parts. So for those of you who don't know how to divide a line, I'll be talking about that in the next video hopefully, and we'll continue that on ratio and proportion. So thanks for watching.